to all my plus baddies out there, you can show some skin on vacation too. And don't let anyone tell you differently, okay? Exactly. Well, first I gotta boy, you looking like you like Hi you guys, welcome back to Vanna Reels. I am Vanessa and I share fashion, shopping diaries, and lifestyle content. And recently I visited San Juan, Puerto Rico for a bachelorette girls trip. And baby, I wanted to show y'all how I was throwing these fits in San Juan. So I wanted to film you guys a visual outfit diary instead of a vlog so you can see what I wore in and out around San Juan, Puerto Rico. So if this interests you and you love fashion and you love putting them looks together, then you should keep on watching and hit that subscribe button, okay? So you guys, right for look number one, this is our beach outfit. So I wore this outfit to Condado Beach, which is the area that we stayed in while in San Juan. And y'all, this beach was so beautiful, but you know, this perfect weather, I still needed a little bit of something that was a cover up, but I still felt nice and cool in it. So as you guys can see, I have on this Future Collective brown cover up knit like crochet dress with like it kind of has like a halter style to it. This is from the Future Collective collection, I believe from 2024, I want to say, or 2023. I'll correct it on the screen, but yes. And then y'all, guess this bathing suit is from American Eagle from like 2018, 2017. Like, when I tell you this bathing suit, I've kept it and it's great quality. That is probably the only American Eagle bathing suit I have, but it is comfortable. The style is great and it still offers me a cute plus style where I don't have to feel like I have to cover up everything. Because you guys know I talk about this all the time. When it comes to plus clothing, they try to force us into things that cover, and I simply want to show my style. I paired this with a scarf and my sunglasses, and then I kind of just packed one sandal for the trip, which were my platform BB sandals. So I wore those because they're great to walk on the sand in. I do take them off eventually, but to walk into the first set of sand that you see on the beach, they are great for that because they don't hold the sand and they let you kind of have that little lift. And then for my bag, I had a crochet bag that I purchased from Shein right before this trip. So that was a new item. And then you guys saw that I have on a scarf. But the only thing about the scarf was I should have lifted it while I was on the beach because I actually ended up tanning very quickly, which I should know. I'm only but in my 30s. I should know this, how my body tans. But yes, this look, I paired it all together and just showing you guys how I stylize my looks. I accessorize up. I add these bangles. I believe I had these on. I might have had 2 sets of these. These are my rainbow bangles that I love to wear. And they're like the only ones that are Rizzling bracelets that I can actually fit because Rainbow was the only brand that made a plus size version of this style. I hope they come back with them this summer. I did purchase them, I think, early spring of last year. But I'm hopeful that they'll come up with something else because I need them. I need more colors. Our next look, we have our daytime look when we visited the Bacardi Rum Factory. And as you guys can see, I have on my Birkin t-shirt. Well, it's not actually Birkins, but it's a resemblance of the Birkin bag, and it has the 2 motifs on the chest. I purchased that like 2 years ago from Pretty Little Thing. Already in my closet. And then we have on our KBB Bermuda shorts, and then I paired them with my Adidas Sambas and my Brandon Blackwood bag. And then again, I accessorized with my scarf and my glasses and my bracelets that I wore. I believe I wore a bracelet. Yes, I had on my Marc Jacobs bracelet and then the clear color of these Rizzling bracelets from Rainbow. So yes, y'all, this look was so fun and casual. I enjoyed it so much. And when I tell you, this was perfect because we were doing a mixology class. I'm gonna pop in some clips from that class because you guys, if you are in San Juan, Puerto Rico, you need to visit the Bacardi factory because that is a great daytime event to do with any type of group you're with, especially if you're with a group that likes to drink or what have you. Doing that mixology class and then the tour before, I had a great time. I think we all had a great time. That was probably my favorite daytime activity that we did outside of being at the beach. But yes, y'all, it was such a fun day. And you spent a couple hours at this venue. But this outfit was perfect for it because I wasn't sure if I should have my feet out at this event, which you can have your feet out, but I just wasn't sure. And for packing purposes, I was able to utilize the sneakers I wore in my airport outfit for this event. I want to leave you guys with this tip. As you know, when you are packing, you want to make sure your bag is not overweight. So try to utilize your shoes for multiple days and multiple outfits. You're multi-purposing what you're packing, and even multi-purpose some of your pants you may be packing or bottoms, because you don't have to just wear the bottom one day. If it's like a jean item, you could wear that a couple of days on your trip, or at least max 2 days, right? Depending on what you're doing, lounging, chilling, you may find yourself wearing a cover up over again. Like, you repurpose what you have in your bag so you're not overpacking and you don't feel overwhelmed with how do I make this work and how do I pack this for multi-use. Right, you guys, now we have our next outfit. Now, in theory, y'all, I really wanted to love this outfit, but I could tell in my actual videos and execution, I probably should have tied my top again, which you guys saw this top from my previous video where I showed you the KBB drop 3 items, and I showed volume 3 drop 2, and I tried to wear this top again, and I told you guys I had to put that corset top underneath, but I still feel like I should have done a little bit more to this look to kind of spruce it up. But when you're on a time crunch and having fun, girl, you gotta roll what you packed. But I will tell you guys the details of this outfit. So we have on the top that we're wearing underneath the tie front, that is from Burlington. The corset is from Shein, and what I love most about this corset is that I don't have to wear a bra with it, because I cannot stand wearing a bra on vacation. I don't know about y'all, but me, I don't like wearing a bra. So whatever I can do to get out of wearing a bra, I'm gonna do it. But like I said, I should have tied this, and I think later on in the night I ended up tying it in the front when we were at the bars. But for dinner, I tried to leave it low and down. And then the pants I have on, these are from Forever 21 right before they closed. This was like their beach aquamarine style collection they did, and plus it was very cute style. I have a couple of pieces from that collection, but these pants are so fun, and they're like a satin poly like blend, and they're long enough. And then my sandals that I have on that have like a block platform heel, those are from Nordstrom Rack, which I chose to be my heels for this trip. Because they were lightweight, and they went with multiple nighttime outfits that I wore. So like I told you guys, I had limited shoes, so the outfits had to work with them. But I will tell you guys, I do like this look. I just think I should have tied it while I did the visual portion of this. But overall, I'm pretty happy with it. I think I will make a few tweaks when I wear this again. But for the night, we went to dinner this night, and then we went out to the bars after. So I had to think of a multi-purpose outfit that I could wear to both. In the future, I may wear a dress next time, but you know, you live and you learn. I still had a good time, and I still turned up in them bars, baby. I was having me a ball, girl, okay? We had a good old time. But yeah, the makeup was tea too, and I was doing quick beats on this trip, but the makeup was tea. Yeah, it was tea. Okay, y'all, now we are getting into my favorite look of this trip, y'all. I could not wait to wear this. This set is from the Musera line, Musera store at Shein. And when I tell you guys, I could not wait to wear this set. This was my favorite look the whole trip. And as you could tell in these visuals, I was feeling it. I woke up this morning and I said, girl, it's time to refresh and redeem from that outfit we wore last night. Because, girl, we didn't get in the house until like 2, 3 in the morning, and I still woke up and did it in this look, okay? And that shows you that's how we pivot and we fix the look. But y'all, this look, I have the matching top, the matching bottom. They are crocheted, and then I bought the bikini top. Now, I did not buy the bottoms to match the bikini top for this, because I had a brown bottom that I was like, I can repurpose. I don't need them bottoms because you're never going to see them as I'm wearing this. And we went to our boat day for this. I believe we traveled to Fajardo, which is an hour away from Condado, hour 15. And I will tell you guys, plan accordingly when you do that, because you will be riding, okay? You'll be riding that hour and a half well, that hour and 15 each way will get to you because of the traffic. But y'all, this look, I paired it with my glasses that I have. I have on these seashell and starfish earrings. Then I have on my Riesling. I have on my resin bracelets here. And then I think this was the only bracelet I wore because I knew we would be on the boat. So I did not want to wear any of my expensive jewelry that I know I cannot lose. So I did not wear any of my rings and stuff because I was not staying to lose that burger ring. I'm not losing it, okay? So I said, girl, wear something that can get wet and you can sit on the beach in. So you can still be cool, calm, collected, sexy, in this matching set. And y'all, this look was so tea. I loved it so bad. This was my favorite from the trip, which I had a feeling it would. The Musera collection from Shein is one of my favorites. I know some people don't believe in shopping fast fashion, but when you are plus and you want to look good on a budget and you don't want to break the bank, don't stop it, okay? Don't stop shopping at Shein. Do what you want, but for me, I'm not stopping. Yes, so that was my favorite. That was my favorite look, y'all. Hands down my favorite from this trip. So I wanted to share that with you guys and give that a special little highlight moment. And y'all see the backyard of the Airbnb where I took these visuals at. Babe, when I tell you eating down, honey, it was so much happening. And y'all, I shot these visuals around like 8 9 a.m. because I wanted to get it out the way because I knew after that boat day I was going to be tired, and I don't like to be the person on the trip holding everybody up. But y'all, I was really getting into these poses. As y'all can see, snap snap, crisp crisp. Okay, here we are to our last look of the trip. This was our final dinner to celebrate our girl. We're sending our bachelorette off. And baby, I sent her off in a black dress, okay? We had to send the bride off that last night, honey. This was after the boat day, baby. I was on my last leg of energy. I was tired. But girl, put that makeup on and I said, let's get ready and get ready for the dinner, okay? But yes, I just wore a simple black dress. This I've had in my closet is my black vacation dress. I wore this in Mexico, as you guys probably have seen in the past. This is my favorite little vacation dress, but I will tell y'all I should have worked out the bra situation a little bit better. And then again, I paired it with the scarf, and then I had on my gold jewelry, the gold stack I usually wear, and then I paired it with the bag that our bride gave us. She gave us a sweet gift, and I paired it with that bag because I was like, okay, we're gonna be out, I need to carry my fan, let me just change into this bag. We're still in beach vibes. And I just bought a sandal with this, and again, same makeup. I just added the new Morphe collection eyeshadow palette, which I wanted to show you guys. And then I also wanted to show you guys how I spruced up this black dress. I really paid attention to what I wanted to do with my makeup look. I kind of incorporated a lot of pink, and then my girl got me a LV lipstick in my goodie bag she gave me. Honey, I was like, I'm wearing this the last night. When I tell you this mauve color with my Sephora molasses lip pencil, girl, eating so bad. Like, what? Girl, I am a fan. That I paired it with that new Morphe gloss on top. New lip combo unlocked, okay? I could not resist to show y'all this and give y'all a close-up because makeup is a part of the look. Whether you want to wear it or not, you don't have to wear it now. It's up to you. But I'm telling you, this is a part of my look this night of stylizing my makeup and what I was choosing to put on my face and really highlight that pink to bring out some fun in this black that I'm wearing. So yes, these are the looks because we were throwing fits in what? San Juan. Yes, girl, we was throwing them looks, honey, and throwing them fits. To all my plus baddies out there, you can show some skin on vacation too. And don't let anyone tell you differently, okay? Exactly. Now, like I told you guys earlier while I showed you these looks, I just want to send you off with a couple of tips. Like I said earlier, when you pack those shoes, make sure you're packing just enough but not too many that you can multi-purpose throughout the airport, today, tonight, transitions. Just make sure you have enough but not overpacked to feel overwhelmed or your bag being overweight. Also something, pack the proper undergarments. As you can see, I probably should have had an extra bra, which was probably on my mistake. I did have boob tape, but I didn't pull it out. I probably should have utilized that the last night when I wore that black dress, but you live and you learn. Another thing, make sure you pack your sunscreen, whatever that is, your glow oil that has SPF in it. pack your sunscreen products, because if you pack a glow product that has SPF in it, you don't have to pack extra lotion. You could just use oil throughout the trip. That was something I used. I used oils throughout the trip. I think I put on lotion the day we went to the Bacardi factory, and I only put it on my legs and my elbows. But other than that, I was doing my Glow Capari oil. And then something else I like to do is always make sure your airport outfit is the one you can wear in and wear out. I did not show it because I'm just typically a person that doesn't pick up my camera in the airport, but just make sure your airport outfit is easy, whether you're changing the top. So basically, I just wear the same like coat or like jacket I'm gonna wear because we're in a hotter climate, but when we go back to our original states, it's gonna be colder. So I had to bring a jacket, which I wore my denim KBB jacket, and then I put on my Shein pants that were brown, and I wore those with my Sambas, and then I changed my top from a red tank top the day coming in, and then a gray tank top from Target day going out. That's all I changed. Bra stayed the same. I wear the same sports bra. Make it easy on yourself. Those are probably my biggest tidbits. And make sure you pack a beach bag. That's one more. Pack a beach bag that multi-uses as carrying your tripod, all of your camera equipment, and your wallet and things like that. Pack something like a clear case to put like your wallet in, so you're not taking your nice purses to the beach. And if you're a plus babe, remember, keep that chafing stick on you by Mega Babe or whichever brand you use. Keep it on you because you're gonna be hot, girl. And put it on, and put it under your boobs too, because it serves for thighs and boobs. It works wonders, trust me. I know the summer is gearing up, so I hope this helped you girls get ready for your trips. And I hope you all enjoyed me showing you how I throw these fits in San Juan. Let me know in the comments which look was your favorite and which look are you trying. And baby, are you going on any trips? Are you packing your bag right now? Did you forget something? You need a little checklist? Check out what I'm talking about. You will not be disappointed, okay? I hope you guys enjoyed another video from me. We were throwing fits in San Juan. If you like this type of travel visual diary of outfits, let me know, and I will continue doing my travel videos just like this, because y'all know one thing I love throwing fits. I don't care how I'm feeling, what I'm doing. I'm gonna put on these looks and I'm gonna wear these clothes in this closet. If you haven't done anything, make sure you hit that subscribe button and that like button and comment down below. And I'll see you guys in the next video. All right, holla back.